Hey everyone, it's Jason from The Blind Pig here with a Blind Pig product review. We've used lots of Great Whiskey Challenge products before, and today we have the Great Whiskey Challenge Old Fashioned Smoker Kit. They were so happy to send to me, and I said, you know what? Rather than just try it out, let's do a product review. So let's open the box up, see what you get, and try it out. So in this box, very nicely packaged, you get a torch lighter. You get 4 kinds of wood chips. We got oak, we got cherry, we got hickory, and we have apple. Now with the 4 kinds, what's nice is you can try different combinations with different drinks, different liquors, different bitters, things like that, and kind of see what it does to your drink and test it out. Of course, you also get the topper for your glass. This is what goes on your glass. Has a really nice engraved Great Whiskey Challenge logo on it. You put this on your rocks glass. Take the lid off, fill it up with your wood chips. Then you have little holes at the bottom. After you torch it, it should diffuse the smoke into your glass. They say let it sit for anywhere from between 10 and 30 seconds. The longer you let it sit, the more smoke flavor it's going to impart in your drink. But why just tell you about it? Let's go ahead and show you how it works, right? So I happen to have an old fashioned I already made right here, ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and pop this on top of our glass. Let's go with, we got oak, we got cherry, we got hickory, we got apple. Let's try cherry. We have a very full pack of wood chips, really nicely finely chopped up. Smells awesome. Go ahead and put, they say you just need a little bit. Go ahead and put a little bit in there. Put a little, maybe a little more than you need just to make sure for the camera we get a good smoke effect in there. Again, we don't have much in there at all, but that should be all we need. Pop the lid back on there so we don't spill any, because again, it's a very full can. You definitely get a lot for your money. It's only $29.95. I did get this one for free. I'm happy to admit that to you. But at $29.95, you really can't go wrong. We get a really cool looking torch. You could also use this for smoking cigars, anything else you got going on. I already filled this up off camera just so it's ready to go. We'll go ahead and show it to you here though. So they say, put it on top of your drink. Go ahead and torch the wood chips, just so they start burning, start smoking. That should be perfect. Pop our lid on, puts the fire out right away. And you start to see, yes, perfect. You get the smoke starting to fall down into your drink. So they said give between 10 and 30 seconds. We'll kind of split the difference here. Give it just a few more seconds. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the smoke filling the glass up. Go ahead and pop that off. Put it aside, you can see the smoke flying out. It's got a great smell to it. Start off a little bit and go ahead and try it out. Cheers. Oh, it smells fantastic. Imparts a nice smoky flavor. You can taste the cherry. Like I can tell that was cherry wood. Be curious if I could do a blind tasting and see which wood it is. But for now, I knew it was cherry wood, but it could taste like cherry. Adds a little bit of nice flavor to your drink. I'm gonna say, guys, at $29.95, you really can't go wrong. Go ahead and check it out. We'll post the link below. But either way, thank you for watching the video. Please comment, like, and share if you can. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. Cheers.